Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you guys some of the goodies I got for my kids for our back to school year, homeschool year. So I'm gonna show it all to you guys up close. So today I just want to share with you guys some of the things I got to make our homeschool life a little easier. I'm in the process of a move, and once I get my homeschool place set up, I cannot wait to give you guys a tour. But for now, I'm just going to show you some different things that we've been using in our homeschool, some supplies and stuff like that. And I will link everything in the description below. So here it is. Okay, so you see lots of like art stuff here. But first I'm going to show you, we got these, we've been using them. As you can see, they're so messy. These Crayola washable watercolors, but then my son, he's doing the good and the beautiful, and his level is using watercolor in art. So I got this pack of watercolor cakes that's just a little bit better than the Crayola ones, but not too much more expensive. It just has a lot more colors. We also got this set of paint brushes and the little palettes where he can mix his colors. It comes with a whole bunch of these and a bunch of paint brushes. Then of course I got markers. I got one set for my daughter, one set for my son, but my daughter already has hers put away, and I'll show you where that is. Some of these things that I'm showing you, I didn't just get, we've been homeschooling, and some of them I are coming in through Amazon, and some we've already been putting into use. Alright, so there's some things I did get, like construction paper, line paper, laminate paper, stuff like that, that I'm just not showing you because you guys know what that looks like. But I did get this big pack of Sharpies, 12 count. There's a black one missing somewhere in one of my bins. But just for us to write our names down on different things, you always got to have your Sharpies. I also got the 6 dry erase pocket sleeves. So these are great for when you don't feel like laminating everything, or when you don't have a laminator, or if you think you're not going to use whatever it is you're laminating for a long period of time. So you can just slide it in here and they can write on here with dry erase markers. See, kind of like that picture right there. And do different worksheets they can practice. So I also got these rulers for drawing, and obviously for my 5-year-old to learn how to measure centimeters and inches. 2 for my son, 2 for my daughter. Of course, I got another 3-hole puncher. The one I had is in storage right now, but it's also stuck and broken and it's going in the garbage. I have 2 portable dry erase boards. This is great because we can take it with us, but I also don't need to put up a big dry erase board. And especially right now, since we're in the middle of moving, they can just take these out, and I don't have a dry erase board up right now. And then I also got these happy face erasers. I got a whole bunch of them, but I have no idea where the kids put them. It also has a clip here so you can put dry erase markers, and I do have a pack of dry erase markers too. Okay, so this is something I'm really excited about. Now, this hole punch here, I accidentally bought the wrong kind. I bought it because it was pink and cute, but it turned out to be a clothing hole punch. But it worked out perfectly for what I needed it for. So in this little box here, this is, you guys are gonna love this. These are my incentives and what makes the kids have a great homeschool day every day. These are punch cards. So you write with, that's why I bought the Sharpies. You write their name on it, and then you write what they want to earn after 10 punches. So if they've had a good day at school, they get a punch. When we go somewhere, my kids are a little bit shy, so if they go somewhere, they meet or make a new friend, they get another punch. If they've been very helpful in a certain way, they can get another punch. And after they get 10, they earn something, and this has a whole bunch of them. And when you punch it, I'll show you what they look like with this little hole puncher that worked out perfectly. So this card's actually perfect. You see, my son wants to earn Robux money. Just earn Robux. This is his card number 4. So this is a regular size hole punch. You see how it's huge, and it even, I mean, he did it so it came out. But this is the little hole punch from the clothing one. So I actually recommend, if you're gonna get these cards, to get this hole puncher. and I will link them both in the description. This is great for homeschooling on the go, which is why I got it. I can put all my different worksheets. I really got it too so that I can put all of my unit study stuff in here. So we're going to be doing a bunch of different unit studies this homeschool year, and as I'm buying them and printing them out, I'm able to put I forgot I had these. I'm able to put these pieces in here, and I need to use these this week, so these are coming out. If I didn't make this video, I would have never found them, and I would have forgotten that I need to use those this week on our oceans theme. I also have these 2 green bins where the kids, they're not that pretty, but they're just functional for right now. And each of the kids has one, and it stores their books and things inside of them. Here I have binders. I got my son a Spider-Man binder from Target, and I did get page dividers and things like that. And my daughter just got a big orange one because I'm printing out her language arts and her math from the Good and the Beautiful this year, because they're both, I already have both of them hard copies, and they're both in storage. So yeah, I accidentally packed them. So I'm printing out the rest of them, so she needs a bigger binder. And look at this mess here. And you'll see in her folder here are her cards, her punch cards. She was earning money towards something big. Last few things I want to show you are these adorable pencil cases. I got one from Target and one from Amazon for my son. Got them highlighters and color pencils and pencils, and I even got him some pencil grips. And his dry erase markers. They each have a pack for their, they have all the different colors for their whiteboards. Who's this, Black Panther? I don't even know. Here's his erasers and his sharpener. But my daughter wanted this cute little sparkly box. Probably have to get another one, but it does have a key and a lock. And she just has everything thrown in here. I think we might need to get her another one. It actually holds everything, but it's just not organized. She's got glue sticks and markers and color pencils and everything in here. Those are the goodies that have been making our homeschool a little fun. The main things that we've been using right now anyway. I do want to make my first library video where I'm showing my daughter's first books that I'm buying her that she can read herself. So I'm collecting books right now for the library to decide what books we actually want to purchase to keep on her bookshelf. And then throughout the year, I'm going to give you guys some read aloud choices. We're reading through different books now. So make sure you guys subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I love your comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.